Alright, faggots, it's fucking shitty ass weather, but they mowed the bitch ass pipeline. They mowed the whole motherfucker. This is exactly 50 yards in the wide ass open. So I'm hoping that's 2 rounds touching. It looks like 2 rounds touching, or it's a keyhole. There's the 3rd shot down there. So well, I think I'm hitting those 3 at the top, top right in the black. You gotta hold low. Hope it stays. Okay, proofing rounds back down to 50 because how non-cooperative these subs are being out of this barrel. They are keyholing at 100. Yeah, that's good enough. Well, 220s are definitely dog shit out of this thing. They are all over the motherfucking place. And they keyhole. Hooray. But they sure do sound super pretty. I'm gonna do 2, 3 more just to lob them out there and see what that sounds like. Hell yeah. Stinky. Stinky Pete. Alright, for shooting gas line stuff.